Before you get started setting up your Marvin Awaken Skylight, make sure you have a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled device that has access to the email account you plan on using for the setup. You'll also need the name and password of your home Wi-Fi system. Also, plan on being in or near the room where the skylight and switch are located. Start by downloading the Marvin Home App at either Google Play or the Apple App Store. These instructions will be demonstrated on an iPhone, but the directions for an Android device are the same. To create a new account, select No Account, Register here at the bottom of the screen. Enter your email address and then scroll through and read the terms and conditions. If you agree, select the I Agree button. When you select the Create My Account button, a confirmation email will be sent to the address you provided. You'll need to open the email on the same device you're using for the setup process. If you don't see the email after a couple of minutes, look in your spam or junk mail folders. Select the Confirm Email button. This will allow you to open the app. Enter your email address and phone number and then create a password. Your password cannot contain blank spaces. It must be a minimum of 8 characters long, and it needs to include numbers and both upper and lowercase letters. Once you've successfully confirmed your password, select the Complete Registration button. Create and enter the name of your home and enter your zip code. Providing the zip code where your home is located will let the system identify the sunrise and sunset times in your location. This is important when you create modes, which we'll discuss later. Select Create Home. Tap on the View Pairing Mode Instructions button. The skylight and switches have been paired at the factory. To connect the skylight with the app, press both the up and down buttons on the switch at the same time. Hold them for about 5 seconds until you hear a beep from the skylight. If you don't have a switch, you'll have to push and hold the button located on the electronic board of the skylight itself. Enable the Bluetooth on your device and select the Scan for Skylights button. Select your skylight. Accept the request from your device to pair with the skylight. When you hear the skylight beep twice, you'll know the pairing has been successful. It makes sense to name the skylight after the room where it's located, like kitchen, living room, etc. If there's more than one skylight in the same room, give them different names, like Kitchen 1 and Kitchen 2. Select Connect to Wi-Fi button. Enter the name and password of your Wi-Fi network. Apple devices won't automatically search for and display available networks. Select the Join button once you've entered the information. The app will know which types of functionality your skylight is equipped with, and only those icons should appear. Select the icons to test the venting, shades, and lighting. Select the Save Skylight button. Selecting the Skylight Setup Complete button will bring you to the Group Skylights page. Grouping skylights together allows you to control more than one skylight at the same time. Name the room where you want to group the skylights. Choose the skylights you want to group from the list of available skylights, and then select the Save Room button. Repeat these steps if you'd like to create more rooms or select the Grouping Complete button. You can grant access to the skylights and share all your settings with other members of your household by sending them an email invitation. After they've downloaded the Marvin Home App, enter their email address and select the Invite Members button. Select Complete Onboarding. Next, follow along through the brief tutorial. Select Get Started. The Awaken models equipped with sensors can send you an alert on your mobile device when the unit has closed due to rain, or if the unit has detected a change in indoor VOC levels. If you'd like to receive these messages, make sure to enable push notifications when prompted. From the home screen, check again to see that the various features on the Skylight are working properly. If you select Settings from the home page, you can invite more household members, change account information, modify automation settings, learn how to integrate with your smart home system, and more. The Awaken Skylight allows you to schedule modes, which are programmed combinations of venting, lighting, and shade settings. You can schedule a set time to implement a mode or choose a time that will adjust in relation to changes in sunrise or sunset. You can pick the days in which the mode is activated based on your own unique lifestyle and habits. There are several preset modes available. You can customize an existing preset mode or create your own custom mode. If you're having trouble pairing your Skylight with the app, please call 1-800-MARVIN or go online to chat with an expert.